What up, y'all? So I'm about to go ahead and try this thing out for the first time outside. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk. See what we hitting for, man, with this Apple Vision Pro. Let's get it. Like I said, yeah, you can really tell that it's not like reality. You know, it looks just like you're viewing them through cameras now. That's not really a deal breaker for me at all, especially with it being a first generation product. But sometimes I can see like some pictures depending on my lighting. But like I said, I can still operate. The latency isn't, you know, I don't notice any latency. I'm outside walking comfortably for the most part. The most important thing though is the views. So like whenever I throw up the window, like things look clear. Oops, let me play the music. But if I wanted to throw up Safari or whatever, that's one thing I have noticed. I noticed that when I try to open some windows, they don't always open immediately. But I might have to go back in and then reopen them or whatever. But I'm still learning some of the shortcuts and whatnot. I'm not sure, like, is there a way that you can keep the apps like just in front of you? I'd love to be able to move with my windows instead of, like, as you can see, I just left my windows at the corner. So I like to be able to move and walk with them and operate like that. But yeah, so far though, like I've watched a few of MKBHD's videos. He said it best for the most part. Like, it's just a new experience. It really does. It's exciting just for that, honestly. Compared to any smartphone, any tablet, any laptop, like, there's nothing like this. And it's definitely got some stuff to be worked out. Definitely need some more apps. Definitely need more developers or whatever on board with it. But I honestly don't. I mean, with what I see right now, I don't know why you wouldn't get on board with this. Like, aside from just completely being a Apple hater, that's all I can think of. Like, has it been done before? Sure. And can other, companies implement some of the stuff into their ecosystems and whatnot? Absolutely. But kind of like what MKBHD said, like the ecosystem of what you already got with Mac, it really does just make for a dope experience, man. Like, the virtual display makes so much sense. It actually has me rethinking how I want to do my actual setup again. I didn't think I was going to do anything more with my setup until the Apple Vision Pro came around. Now I'm probably going to go ahead and get rid of the iPad, but we'll see. Caddy, don't go too far. So we'll see though. Like, I'm debating, because the Apple Vision Pro right now obviously is still in its early stages. There's not a lot aside from just using it with your Mac and doing the things I can normally do with my tablet. But I'll probably trade for this experience for something like an iPad for sure. Like, this experience is crazy. Like, just playing around with this, like, just that right there is never gonna get old. The battery life, while is very, like, it definitely is low. I feel like there's solutions to that. There will be solutions to that. Apple may come out with a bigger battery. Obviously, they're going to charge a little bit more, but you're one battery away from doubling your battery life. And once that happens, then it's kind of game over, in my opinion. At 2.5 hours battery life, to 2.5 to 4, it doesn't really feel that bad, though. I feel like I can kind of stretch that. Nick, Jazz. Like I feel like I can stretch that if I don't know. It doesn't feel that bad. Like it feels like battery life is doing okay, especially when you consider everything that it's doing. Like right now I got Wi-Fi connected to my phone. Like I'm not really doing too much as far as apps and stuff right now. I'm not nothing like that, but it's just I feel like there's a lot of stuff moving and a lot of stuff going with this thing to really expect it to last as long as your laptop. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being too generous or too positive about it, but I don't know. Like when you look at certain things, like it's kind of crazy. Like whatever I look at is in better focus. Whatever I am not looking at is obviously out of focus. But I don't know, it seems a little fuzzy at times. But again, like I don't know. Maybe I'm being too, oh shoot, I just stepped in mud. Look, now I can't tell what mud is because I got these on. So if I didn't have my glasses on, I wouldn't know. But yeah, I feel like, yeah, in newer updated versions of this thing, man, it's gonna be crazy. Are we beta testers right now? Absolutely. Absolutely. And I'm not mad at it though. Like this is as early a stages as this thing is in. I'm so like impressed by what I see so far. Like just to be able to like the things you can do with your hands and your eyes, like it's insane. And you can't tell me that other manufacturers aren't going to jump on this. Like that's how it is when Apple does drop stuff. Like you'll notice that it becomes mainstream across the board. Microsoft, like I know they had one a while back, they may start to push it now. Other companies are going to start to push theirs, and that's how the industry moves. So you know, have your beef or whatever you want with Apple, but they doing their part as far as pushing innovation in a way that some other companies aren't. I'm talking about folding phones, and that's supposed to be the next future. The future, a folding phone, but be mad at the Apple Vision Pro. I'll tell you right now, ain't no folding phone in the world gonna be able to take this thing out of my hands. Like I wouldn't trade the Apple Vision Pro right now in its infancy for 2 folding phones. What can I do with a folding phone aside from fold it? Like there's no new experience aside from just folding it. Cool. Like I know they're 2 different products, but it's just, I don't know, man. I do not know. I'm like, what the heck? I looked over to the left. I'm like, yo, what is that just floating in the sky? That's it. I don't think I can get it that far. There we go. All right. Let's kick our feet up. In the summertime, this would be dope as hell. Like just to kick your feet up at the park, if you had something like to do as far as work goes. Just let me see what we at. Actually, let me go to the compatible apps. We're gonna go to Twitter. I don't even know. So like, there's a few things I need to still learn about this thing, cause I can't figure out for the life of me how to like reset apps, cause I don't know. I'm trying to like open certain apps and like it just don't work all the time. But let's see. We're gonna go. Oops. What's she doing? Oh, girl. Oh, shoot, I wasn't. I don't know why I thought that was our stuff. But. Man, is it because the window for Twitter's at the house somewhere?
Huh?
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
Oh.
I feel like I left the window at home. Like, how do I... I don't know. I'm like trying to open Twitter, but I know I opened it at home, but I feel like
Left it at home.
I can't get to it. And I'm trying to figure out how to close it so I can reopen it up here. Okay. I'm gonna do this and click it back. That's how I got it to work last time. And then I'll try to open Twitter again. There we go. Hey, look at my man El Jefe right in my face. What's good? Alright. Alright, the Trizzy. Hey, Tech King Mike, he is back with the tech fights. Exclusively over at Tech King Mike channel. Check that out. See what we got. My channel don't, on my Twitter don't be popping like that, so All Vision Pro Talk has made me want to try a meta course. There you go. There you go. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. You already know. Yes, sir. Now, this is the problem. This is what I'm like wondering right now. Now that I got the Apple Vision Pro, I'm wondering if I should change to a MacBook Pro. Like, I feel like I should. I don't know, man. Because the MacBook Pro and the Apple Vision Pro kind of go a little bit better. Just for mobility's sake. But I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. But Twitter actually is pretty decent. It'd be nice to have a native app. Not bad, though. So far, Safari's been good. The music has been amazing. Emailing, like pretty much everything, doing everything off of the Vision Pro has been a dream. I love it. Hold up. See baby girl over there climbing. Make sure she good. You got it, baby? Good job. So, good job. So, this Freeform app, I never used it on my phone. Matter of fact, I think I left that one open at the crib too. If anybody with Apple Vision Pros, hit me up in the comments. I'm trying to figure out how to like close out apps so I can restart them. Because like, how do you, I feel like there's like another touch function or something I'm not aware of. So right now, the only way I've been doing it is going to apps. Go to, I'm looking for Freeform. Freeform. Then I will, oh, actually I can't even do it here. Let me see. Yeah, I can't even find it here. Like, yeah, there's no, I don't see no way to refresh the app over here, but yeah, I don't know, man. Let me know, because I'm trying to like open this. Like, is it in a window somewhere? I can't find it. That's one of the things I've noticed. I'll be trying to open apps and then they just don't be where I need them to be. But I think that's something that I just didn't. I still need to learn how to use. But like in the App Store, not very many apps going on over there. You're going to be mainly playing with the native apps that you have installed. You're going to be playing around with Twitter, some of the iPad compatible apps. Hold on, what is that? What is it? What is that way over there in the distance that I cannot see? I feel like that's telling me it's at the crib. Like, it's way over there. Dirty baby. With a dirt ball. Why'd you step in the mud? Go wipe your feet on the grass. I'm trying to throw a window. Wish I could throw it way over there. Oh, okay, look at me. So I'm gonna hold Twitter with my fingers like this and scroll. Okay. Hold on, let me do it like this. Okay.
Okay, ready, Dwayne?
Gotti, what are you saying?
It's Dwayne. Because you said Dwayne.
Look at who this dude think he is. Oh, he's stupid. I like that jersey though. Alright, is this how I gotta do it? Hold on. Okay. What I'm doing is like I'm walking and I'm holding Twitter with my two fingers. And I'm scrolling like this. But this is dope. So I can walk and just carry Twitter. Now if I wanted something else, I'll probably switch it to that. Now it sucks because it's cold outside, so my fingers are freezing. But I'm holding the pinch and I'm scrolling. Okay, look at that. That's funny. He got the joint pinned to the refrigerator. I was trying to throw that joint. Let me see if I can throw it across the street. Oh shoot, where'd it go? We come back. I'll leave you right there. Keep going. I left my Twitter. Let me go get my Twitter. Oh, sure. Come on, dog. Are y'all good?
Knock it off.
I gotta go tend to these animals. Let me see. You want me to take one of them? Let me take one of them.
You want to take me? Because he's the one that starts shit.
Damn, you got that thing all strapped up.
He's
Alright.
keeps getting tangled.
Ooh, my hands are cold. Hold on, I'm taking me. Right. I wish there was a way that you could like scroll with your eyes. Oops, let's see. There we go. So like if I could like do some sort of control, I gotta look that up in a second. I feel like there's a way I should be able to do that. This little wild thing right here.